Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. Look at the question. Simplify a square minus ab plus ab square upon a plus b square minus bc plus bc square upon b plus c square minus ca plus ca square upon c. Now a square upon a minus ab upon a plus ab square upon a. Similarly, b square upon b minus bc upon b plus bc square upon b. Similarly, c square upon c, ca upon c, ca square upon c. Now, a power 2 minus 1 minus a power 1 minus 1 b plus a power 1 minus 1 b square plus b power 2 minus 1 minus b power 1 minus 1 c plus b power 1 minus 1 c square plus c 2 minus 1 minus c power 1 minus 1 a plus c power 1 minus 1 a square. Now a 2 minus 1 1 minus a 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 b square plus b minus b power 0 c plus b power 0 c square plus c minus c power 0 a plus c power 0 a square. A minus b plus b square plus b minus c plus c square plus c minus a plus a square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, as a power 0 equal to b power 0 equal to c power 0 equal to 1. Then at the last, this is the answer of the question. Look at the question. Simplify a square minus 2ab plus 3ab square upon a plus b square minus 4bc plus 5bc square upon b plus 5c square minus ac upon c. A square upon a minus 2ab upon a plus 3ab square upon a. Similarly, b square upon b minus 4bc upon b plus 5bc square upon b. 5c square upon c minus ac upon c. Now, a power 2 minus 1 minus 2 a power 1 minus 1 b plus 3 a power 1 minus 1 b square plus b power 2 minus 1 minus 4 b power 1 minus 1 c plus 5 b power 1 minus 1 c square plus 5 c power 2 minus 1 minus a into c power 1 minus 1. A minus 2a power 0 b plus 3a power 0 b square plus b minus 4b power 0 c plus 5b power 0 c square plus 5c minus ac 0, as a power 0 equal to b power 0 equal to c power 0 equal to 1. Now we can write 1 instead of a power 0, b power 0 or c power 0. A minus 2b plus 3b square plus b minus 4c plus 5c plus 5c square minus a. This is equal to 3b square plus 5c square minus b plus c. This is the required answer. Look at the new topic, algebraic identities. There are three algebraic identities. First, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now, to prove the first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. take left hand side a plus b whole square. We can write a plus b into a plus b as x square is equal to x into x. Now multiply a into a and a into b, then b into a and b into b. A into a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. AB plus BA, this is equal to 2AB. This is A square plus 2AB plus B square, which is equal to right hand side, which is equal to right hand side. So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the answer of this formula. Now look at the second identity. A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. Take left hand side, A minus B whole square is equal to A minus B into A minus B. Since x square is equal to x into x, multiply A into A and A into B, then minus b into a and minus b into minus b equal to plus b into b square. A square minus ab minus b plus b square minus ab equal to minus 2ab. This is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is right hand side. So we can write a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.